2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki SV650. In the realm of motorcycles, the 2024 Suzuki SV650 stands out as an exemplary choice for beginners, seamlessly blending performance, versatility, and approachability. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those venturing into the world of riding, the SV650 exemplifies Suzuki's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking an ideal balance of learning-friendly features and sporty aesthetics. In 2024, the SV650 continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, thrilling rides, and the joy of embarking on the two-wheel journey. 1. Sporty and versatile design. The Suzuki SV650 boasts a sporty and versatile design that caters to riders seeking a dynamic yet approachable machine. With its sleek profile, aggressive stance, and minimalist styling, the SV650 exudes the look and feel of a true sport bike. Suzuki's meticulous attention to design ensures that the SV650 not only provides a thrilling riding experience but also presents a stylish entry point for riders stepping into the motorcycling world. 2. Potent V-twin engine for dynamic performance. At the heart of the SV650 lies a potent 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, striking a perfect balance between accessible power and thrilling performance. Suzuki's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for riders looking to build confidence while experiencing the exhilaration of a sport bike. The SV650's engine provides enough performance to keep seasoned riders engaged while remaining manageable for those still mastering their riding skills. 3. Comfortable ergonomics for everyday riding. Designed for everyday riding, the SV650 features comfortable and ergonomic components. The bike offers a balanced seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Suzuki's commitment to rider comfort makes the SV650 not just a high-performance machine but also a practical and enjoyable cruiser for daily commuting. 4. Nimble handling and rider-friendly characteristics. Crafted for nimble handling, the Suzuki SV650 provides riders with a responsive and intuitive experience. The bike's lightweight frame and sport-tuned suspension make it easy to maneuver through city streets and navigate corners with confidence. The SV650's rider-friendly characteristics contribute to a positive learning curve for beginners, enhancing their overall riding experience. 5. Comprehensive safety features. Suzuki equips the 2024 SV650 with comprehensive safety features to assist beginners in their learning process. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, enhances braking control, preventing will lock-up and ensuring stability during emergency braking situations. Suzuki's commitment to rider safety aligns with the brand's understanding of the diverse needs of entry-level motorcyclists. Conclusion. The 2024 Suzuki SV650 stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its sporty and versatile design, potent V-twin engine, comfortable ergonomics, nimble handling, and comprehensive safety features make it an unrivaled choice for riders embarking on their two-wheel journey. Whether mastering the basics, exploring city streets with style, or craving the thrill of open roads, the SV650 encapsulates the spirit of Suzuki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level sport bike excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, thrilling rides, and the joy of the beginner's journey, the 2024 Suzuki SV650 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.